Hey my friends, if you like mansions with huge ocean views, then this property tour is going to be for you. I'm in Sea Point Estates today here in San Clemente, and behind me is a 6,600 square foot remodeled panoramic ocean view estate here. 3-car garage, multiple levels, sauna in the master bathroom. I mean, this house has the works. Come check this place out with me because you don't see homes this large with this much view in San Clemente very often. Let's check this place out. So Sea Point Estates is a gated community. I came up the main entrance here, super nice street, all custom homes. 3-car garage down below with parking. And when you drive through here, everything is well manicured. All the homes are nice. It's just a very beautified community. This particular residence here, you come through the wrought iron gate. There's a fountain in the courtyard here. All the landscaping is very nicely taken care of. You come through these big double 9-foot doors into this grand foyer. Huge chandelier. Look at the ceiling detail. That's incredible. And immediately you can see this has a very grand feel. Super tall ceilings in here. We've got kind of multi-level in a way. The foyer's on one level and then you go down to the kitchen, and we also have on this level the formal living room with a fireplace. Super tall ceilings in here, arched windows. Can definitely tell the house has had a new designer paint job. The banisters on the staircases are a little bit of older vintage. Those haven't been redone. But once you come down these stairs and you're on the main living area here, they do have a newer engineered hardwood floor. These are really nice floors and they have a updated feel. And down the hallway there, it's pretty bright in the camera, but I'm looking at drop dead, gorgeous ocean views. Let's check out this formal dining. Very, very spacious. You could fit a huge table in here. This space also has ocean views. Let's see if we can get the lighting to adjust. Yep, you can kind of see the horizontal views there. And the kitchen, very nicely updated. You've got this built-in KitchenAid, 42-inch refrigerator, double Wolf ovens with the Wolf microwave and convection. The cabinets are a white shaker with a brushed nickel hardware. It looks like these are newer. 6-burner Wolf range cooktop. And a nice, kind of a more modern subway tile backsplash. I like how they have this hood wrapped here with, I think they put drywall around it. That's not wood, that's got the same finish as the drywall. That's kind of cool. That is the hood ventilation system. Some open shelving here around the hood for a more kind of an open look. I like that. Got 2 sinks, 1 auxiliary sink here, and then the main farmhouse sink. These are cool, these Shaw sinks. I like that. With this apron in the front, which is nice to belly up to. This island looks to be about 8 feet by 7 feet. It's got a quartz countertop. And the under cabinet is it's a two-tone. So you've got that kind of stained gray wood with the white shaker, which is very nice. And then out this picture frame window, check out these views. I don't know, I don't know if I'd say this is a 10, but it's pretty close to it. We're high enough to where there's a ton of depth. I can see big container ships. I can see local boats coming and going from Dana Point Harbor. I can see all the way down to San Clemente Pier and the south-facing beaches. And then when we get onto the other side of the house over here, you'll be able to see Dana Point itself. This is a dry bar. They took the quartz countertop and they waterfalled it off the edge of this dry bar down to the floor. So that's a cool focal point. And then behind the dry bar is a beverage center. And then some under cabinets here to kind of work the dry bar. And then you come into this sunken family room here, down 2 steps. Sunken is kind of an older architectural feature, but it's coming back in some ways. It makes this room a little bit more cozy, kind of invites you in, separates the space. And then up above, check out these wood coffered ceilings. Right now, they're kind of more of a darker wood color, wood stain. These would look really nice painted white. And then fantastic views from here. So with how much house there is here and how much view there is, this is a pretty unique offering in San Clemente. You just don't have that many large square footage houses, especially with the views. Let's go out and check out this yard. So kind of a sunken fire pit area too. Couple of steps down, and then you've got this designated space, and the views from over here are awesome. They kind of waterfall off this edge. This is really nice. I can see San Clemente Pier, Cotton's Point, working my way north, the outline of Catalina Island and Dana Point Headland, and then I can see the jetty too for Dana Point Harbor. It looks like maybe the Catalina Flyers coming back into port right now. So a lot of cool stuff that you can see from this view, making it very dynamic. I can see waves crashing on the headland, so it is a whitewater view. And then as you make your way up these 2 steps, this is the same level now as the kitchen. They've put an artificial grass back here, a turf, which looks nice. And then these big ported place concrete pavers with a top cast finish. And then a little barbecue outdoor kitchen setup here. Barbecue area with the ocean view, looking out onto all the entertaining space. This is really cool. And the mature landscaping that's out here is kind of hard to beat. This hedge is super old and very well taken care of. It gives a ton of privacy. I love this backyard space. It's super generous in size. I don't like when ocean view houses have really small backyards and you can only hang out inside. It's nice to be able to get outside and have the view. All right, let's head on back into the house through these double French doors. So we're back in the family room. So far we've seen the formal living, formal dining, kitchen, family. Got an office or a study located here on this main floor. More ocean views from here out these large picture frame windows. So it's got a good floor plan. Downstairs laundry. And then an additional bedroom with a walk-in closet and a bathroom. And then through this door here is access to the 3-car garage. It's got an epoxy flooring in here, nicely done. Obviously love the 3-car garage being in a beach community. Plenty of space for boards, golf cart, surfboards, bikes, e-bikes, all that good stuff. And then just a little storage closet off the garage. Probably designed to be a coat closet. And then rounding out this kind of main common floor is a powder bathroom. So very nice to have the powder bath in a house this size if you're entertaining. Obviously, want guests to have a hallway bathroom. And then one more coat closet here. Now let's go check out the bedroom floor. Make our way up these stairs. These stairs are nice. They're a little bit larger. You can see they take up about, can fit 2 of my feet on here. So they're nice and spread out. They're not super steep. Very easy, and they're carpeted. So you've got a good grip. Let's check out this master bedroom. Double door entry. Immediately greeted by huge panoramic views. This is one of the best views in the house. We got a fireplace in this master bedroom. Love that. But I think my favorite part about this room is it has its own built-in Finnish sauna. Check this out. I'd be spending a lot of time in here. I love going in the sauna. Electric heater. Got the temperature controls. And of course, the thermometer can get this baby up to 200 degrees. Love that. Huge walk-in closet. Not much in the way of built-ins. Could use some new California closet built-ins or something of that. And then the master bathroom is pretty much original. I would suspect the house was built this way with this green kind of countertop and sink. So this could definitely be updated, but plenty of space in here. Nice shower, 2 shower heads, big soaking tub, and private commode. So that's the master bedroom. Let's go check out this den. Skylight up above, so there's a ton of natural light in this house. And then this is the upstairs den or family room. Got a cool vaulted ceiling with a wood detail. And check out this bar. It's got its own little roof line inside the house. This is pretty cool. Wet bar. Room for another beverage center under the countertop. Plenty of space for the different crystal glasswares and martini glasses, all that good stuff. Wine storage. This is a fun room. I can see a pool table in here, or a pool table and a ping pong table. Definitely a really fun space to entertain and hang out. And then the fireplace. Another fireplace. I think that's 3 fireplaces so far in this house. We'll make our way down the hall here to some of the guest bedrooms. Guest bedroom number 1 on the 2nd story. These are all en suites, meaning the bathroom is off the bedroom, or en suite rather. Great views. This floor plan does a great job of capturing view from every room in the house. It also has this little Romeo and Juliet balcony. Just kind of for looks. I don't think you're going to spend much time out here, but at least you can get outside, smell the fresh air. There are no homes. These are probably 2 lots right here. There are no homes next door. So it gives an extra element of privacy for the time being, at least, until one day somebody builds a house there. Nice walk-in closet. This is a big closet for a guest bedroom. And the ceilings in here are at least 9 feet tall. If we walk up to this banister, you get a good perspective of the foyer here with the chandelier and the really cool wood ceilings. So as we make our way down to this side of the house, we've got 2 more guest bedrooms. Double door closet. And this is kind of a suite. This could be 2 bedrooms or it could be 1. Mainly because there's this doorway here. So if you shut this door, there are now 2 guest bedrooms in this area. And these are the 2 bedrooms in the house that kind of share a hallway bath if you were to make it that way. So like a kid's wing. Or it could be really cool for multi-generational, where you have 2 generations in the home. They get an office and a bedroom or something like that. So you can definitely feel the spaciousness in this house. 6,600 square feet, tons of bedrooms, tons of open space. And some of it can be updated, but it doesn't have to be. This home could very easily be moved right into. This is definitely a super unique offering. So if you're somebody who likes larger houses and you want the view, Sea Point Estates, the community we're in right now, houses like this, I would definitely be showing you these. I would set up a search specifically for you on the communities that I know have larger ocean view homes. And one of the things that my clients who have been successful at buying in San Clemente have done is they reach out to me. You can shoot me a text, send me an email, and let me know when you're coming to town, or just make a specific trip and give me a little idea for what you're interested in. We can take a call before you come to town, and when you get here, we'll go out and come through some of these homes and these neighborhoods and get you familiar with the different types of properties that are out there. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.